How to turn on dark mode on Facebook. Open Facebook application. Tap on the three lines that you can see at top left corner of your screen. Tap on the option Settings and Privacy. Tap on the option Settings. You can see various options. Scroll down. Under the section for Preferences, you can see the option for dark mode. Tap on it. Tap on the option On. Now the dark mode will be turned on. You can also enable dark mode in the system settings. Scroll down from the top of your screen. Once you do that, find the option for dark mode and tap on it. Now the dark mode will be applied to your system itself. Now in the Facebook, you can tap on the option Use System Settings. Like this too, the dark mode will be enabled. Like this, you can turn on dark mode on Facebook. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.